Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to be doing a colored acrylic fill on these nails today, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. You're going to see me start off by removing any embellishments or crystals from her previous set, and then using my gel removal bit from ctones.com to remove any of the acrylic that she had on from her last appointment. I'm going to then be using my medium sanding band to blend in her nails. After primer is applied, I'm going to be applying a very thin layer of Ice Ultra Clear acrylic to be a base coat between her natural nails and the colored acrylic. So I'm going to be doing full coverage colored acrylic today, and I'm going to be using a yellow from ctones.com. acrylic application is finished and all of the nails are dry, I'm going to start off the shaping process using my extra coarse sanding band. And once I get my desired shape, this client wants almond, I'm going to start with my 100 grit hand file and complete the shaping. Once my shaping is completed, I'm going to be using my medium zebra sanding band to blend over the surface of each nail. And once the nails are smooth and to my liking, I'm going to go in with my comb bit and remove any excess product from her cuticle area. I will be using a gel top coat from C-Tones, and then I will be going in with some white gel and some different gel polish paints so that I can create this design. I'm going to be using a thin art striper brush to create the design that I'm doing today, and then I will be top coating the nails completely when I'm finished with the design and showing you the finished result. And there you have it. After all of that, here is the final result of these acrylic nails. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and check us out on ctones.com. God bless.